Hello friends, welcome to this video on Excel, and in this video we are going to take a look at how to do a find and replace in Excel. So as you can see that we have a student's data set, okay, and we have student name, we have the subject, okay, that the student has taken, the marks that he has scored in that subject, and the ID. So as you can see, okay, as an example, okay, I'll take the first one, okay, which is Peter. So Peter has taken maths, okay, and he has scored 76, and Peter has also taken English and he has scored 76 in that. And the ID, Peter's ID is 101. Okay, now similarly, okay, there are other students like Harry, okay, who have also opted for maths and English. There are some students, okay, if you will see, okay, like Min and Amr, okay, who have only opted for one subject, that's maths, and they have secured, okay, this is the marks, and their IDs are 107 and 108. So this is just a data set, okay, so that we can understand better. So now what do I want to do is I want to search, okay, in this Excel sheet wherever the entries for Peter are, okay. So first way, okay, to find out what are those entries is, okay, so you go to the top of the Excel sheet, okay, and you will see a search bar here, okay. So search sheet it says, right? So click on this, okay, and here, okay, you can enter Peter, Peter, okay, and hit enter. So you see it's pointing to line number 19 right now, okay. Again hit enter, it will point to 20, okay, and now again hit enter, it has come to the second entry in the sheet, okay. Hit enter, third entry, okay, again if you hit enter it goes to 19 and 20. But this is like a very cumbersome way, okay, to figure out, okay, what all entries, yeah, how many subjects, okay, the student Peter has taken. So what do we do is we have this option, so you go to edit, okay, and you go to find. In find you click on find and you search Peter, okay. It's already showing up here, so I have, because it's already in my search bar here. So for example, if I take an example, Harry, okay, I want to search, okay, the occurrence of Harry. So I will do enter. So see it points to line number 4 now, okay. Again put enter, it points to line number 5, okay. Again put enter, so it points to 4. So that means, okay, there are only 2 instances of student Harry. Now I want to replace, okay, say for example, I want to replace Harry with John, okay. So what I will do is I will go to replace option here, just adjacent to this is replace, okay. So you go to replace, then in find what, okay, so you put Harry here, okay, Harry, and now you want to replace Harry with what string, okay, you replace with. So in replace with I will say John, okay. So now the occurrences of Harry, okay, should be changed with John. So if I click on replace, okay, it will only replace the current instance. So current instance is the fourth row, right? So I'll just show an example. So I'll say replace. So you see the fourth row, okay, is now showing John, okay. It had Harry earlier, now it's showing John. So now let me replace back, okay. We had changed this, right? So I will replace John with Harry again. So let me do that, John, and replace it with Harry. Replace, okay. So now you see that we have in line number 4, Harry has come back, right? So we have replaced. So now what I'm going to do is, okay, let's take an example of replace all now. So in replace all, what I will do is I will enter, say, let's take the first student Peter, okay. How many subjects Peter has taken, we have to check. So I'll say Peter, okay, and I will say replace with, say, let's replace Peter with John, okay, and click on replace all here, okay. So now it says Microsoft Excel cannot find the matching data to replace. So why this has happened is because there's no string, okay, with Peter, okay, in the first letter is small, right? So but in our Excel sheet we don't have any name, okay, or any string which is having this PETER in small letters. So what we need to do is we need to make it capital. So make it capital PETER, so it's case sensitive. So now let's do a replace all, okay, replace all, and it says all finished. We made 4 replacements, right, because there were 4 entries corresponding to Peter. And let's check our table. So our table shows John, okay, John and John, so 4 entries. Now let me say, let's also try out find all. So in find all, what you need to do is suppose now Peter is not there in our Excel. So I will say first go to find, then say John. Okay, so let's find out, okay, what all replacements we made. Okay, where all John is present. So find what John, then click on find all. Okay, so when you do find all, okay, you are going to see, okay, this entry is showing up. Okay, so why only one entry is showing up? Because your this cell is highlighted. Okay, so what you need to do in this case is you close this and just click anywhere on the Excel sheet. Okay, but not on the data set. Okay, so just click somewhere here, and now again go to this edit, find, and now in find, okay, put John. Okay, and then click find all. Now you see all the 4 entries. It's saying 4 cells are found, right? And the location of the cell is also showing up. So the first one is in A2. So A is the column name and second is the row name. Okay, so A2 is the first one, A3, A19 and A20. Okay, so that's the location, okay, of where John is present, and it's found in 4 cells. Now suppose we are currently pointing to the second one, right? So if I do a find next, it will point to the third one. If I click again find next, it will go to the next one, which is 19th. Find next, it will go to the 20th one, and again find next, it comes back to the second entry. So this is how, okay, find all and replace all works in Excel. Okay, so it's very easy to do, I guess. So thanks for watching.